Polychlorinated biphenyls, more commonly referred to as PCBs, are described by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency as belonging to a broad family of man-made organic chemicals known as chlorinated hydrocarbons. They were domestically manufactured from 1929 until manufacturing was banned in 1979. While no longer produced in the United States, PCBs may still be present in any of the PCB-containing products manufactured before the ban. This is a concern because PCBs do not readily break down and can bioaccumulate in living organisms, including humans. PCBs have been identified as probable human carcinogens and may cause a variety of other non-cancer health effects. Due to their non-flammability, chemical stability, high boiling point, and electrical insulating properties, PCBs were used in hundreds of industrial and commercial applications. The EPA reports that PCBs were used extensively as coolants in hydraulic systems and as dielectric fluids in electrical equipment, as well as many other applications. PCBs were even once used in some paints, mastics, sealants, adhesives, caulking, specialty coatings, and fluorescent light ballasts. Regarding fluorescent light ballasts and PCBs, in 2020 the EPA published a 5-page information and reference fact sheet on the topic. In it, the agency reports that any fluorescent light ballast manufactured before July 2, 1979 may contain PCBs, and that these ballasts commonly contain pure PCB liquid in small sealed capacitors. PCBs have also been found in fluorescent light ballast potting material, which is a tar-like filling packing material inside the metal ballast casing. Fluorescent light ballasts that contain PCBs are regulated under the Toxic Substances Control Act. Any PCB containing fluorescent light ballasts that are currently in use have exceeded their design lifespan and become a concern if they are leaking. Even intact PCB containing fluorescent light ballasts may emit small amounts of PCBs into the air during normal use, according to the EPA. These are just a few things to know about the possible presence of PCBs in old fluorescent light ballasts and potential exposure risks. To learn more about this or other building science, indoor environmental quality, health, or safety issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.